seconds on the shot clock. There goes the boy. And there's also Akias, that is first personal and first team foul. There goes Tansil, bounce pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Heredero with the ball. 6 seconds on the shot clock. 5, 4. All way downtown. Heredero. Bang, 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 bang. 4 3 points. We got 7 minutes and 22 seconds on the game clock. For the second quarter of this ball game, number 3 with the ball, inside pass. Mapupunta lang ang kay Dancil. And now, here comes the ball. That's good. That's good. Put the points. Number 17, back-to-back shooting. And ang score, 17-22. Abay 5 puntos. Ang abante, nitong kupunan. Napulaban, that's no good. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Here goes Canyaten Logan. We got 6 minutes and 41 seconds on the game clock. Marcet, game set, Logan. 4 segundos. There goes Salagat with the ball. Gapos from way downtown, Lupe. Who's gonna get that basketball? That ball went out of bounds. 11 seconds. Second quarter of this ball game. And as we continue to roll, 9 seconds on the shot clock. 7 to shoot. We got 6. And a dribbling violation. Segundo for the second quarter. And as we keep going, there goes Dancil getting Heredero. To Dancil with the ball, 10 seconds on the shot clock. We got 9, 8, 7, 6. Number 8, called for an offensive foul. That is first.
Yun!
Shooter! Pwesto na lang, Mong. Tira! Nakataga mo, umatras ka pa. Mong, paa mo, Mong. Pinawala sa kabila, Mong. Ay, wala, Mong. Jump!
Yun!
Sound testing, sound testing.
Ay! Ay! Nako! Sinayang!
Okay, the sound testing, mic check, 1, 2. Sound testing. Okay na po yan, sound. Sound testing, mic check, 1, 2. We get 4 minutes and 30 seconds on the game clock. There goes Dancil, hits it, gets it, that's good. 14 seconds on the shot clock. That's no good. Takbo na naman tayo tungo sa basket itong kupunan ng Mulape. Elsa Dancil hits it, no good. Alagat with the ball. Locating number 3, Chua, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Time to shoot. We got 9, 8, 7, 6. And that's good for 2 points. the other side of the playing court, number 17. Herrero with the ball will go dance with the defense. 14 seconds on the shot clock. We got 12. Kick out pass. Good pass from the right wing. Yes, sir. Dancil shooting 2 points. We got 3 minutes and 10 seconds on the game clock for the second quarter of this ball game. Halagat locating Gapus. Taking his time to number 13 Akias. Bounce pasan. But that ball went out of bounds. Subs minuto at 1 segundo. There goes number 8 with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Herrero will go attack that basket. Tataan ng mga malalaking defense, and that's no good. Number 8 will also penetrate the defense. Drop pass. Inside drive, inside passing. Hardin shooting 2 points. Now score 23-28. 5 points lead of your team Mulabe. At the number 2. Yes sir. Shooting 2 points. Jumong Dancil, that's good, 40 points. We got 1 minute and 50 seconds to go. And now here comes Chua with the ball. Campos inside drive, nope. A dribbling violation, substitution on 44 isang minuto at 44. There goes number 17. Locating Dancil with the ball. Better range. Nope, that's too strong. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. And now number 25, Roma Santa locating number 24. There goes Noe. Kick out pass. Capos hesitates. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Time to shoot. There goes number 24. No good. Balik na naman tayo tungo sa basket. Itong kupunan ng Mulabe. Here goes number 17. Mabibitawan ng buko ron. Masusundot. Chua number 3. Up and under. Yes sir. Shooting 2 points. Running score 27-30. We got 50 seconds to go. 50 segundos. 12 seconds on the shot clock. We got 10, 9, 8 to shoot. A pull-up jumper. Yes, sir. Artin shooting 2 points. Sir, pwede po. Ayan po. Thank you. We got 34 seconds to go. 32 seconds. Yes, sir. Here goes Akias shooting 2 points. We got 20 seconds. No more shot clock. We got 17, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We got 4, 3, 2. And that's the end of the second quarter.